Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to clear cache on Plex. If you are on Plex and experiencing slow performance, playback issues, or outdated metadata, then clearing the Plex cache can help fix glitches and speed up the app. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the Plex application on your device and log in. From the home page of Plex, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, look for an option that says Advanced from the menu. Once you're inside Advanced, click on Reset Cache, and the cache data has been cleared out from your application. Now you know how to clear cache on Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.